Hello, good day to all employers of Hong Kong. My name is Gulama Madikhampo, 40 years of age. My height is 153 centimeter and my weight is 49 kilograms. I am a single mother and I have three children. I am college undergraduate. I do not have work experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong, but I have a work experience as a domestic helper in Oman for 2 years and UAE for 4 years. My duties are taking care of kids. I do household work such as house cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing of clothes. I am willing to take good care of newborn babies, children ages 1 year and above, healthy or disabled person. I'm willing to take care of pets, small and big dogs and cats. I am willing to do gardening and car washing also, and willing to share job with other Filipino or Indonesian helper, and willing to share room with family members or another helper. I can sing a lullaby or nursery rhyme song for the babies or kids like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I am a fast learner and a trustworthy person and a very hardworking person as well. I hope Mom and Sir you will hire me. Thank you and have a pleasant day to all.